Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on guys phone set automatic time. Today friends I will show you how I will tell you guys. So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see guys how can we on guys phone set automatic time and date setting. In this video we will talk about it. So first of all guys you will have to turn on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys scroll it. Friends click on guys your phone additional setting guys, tap here guys, click on date and time setting. Friends suppose guys I have changed this date, this time and get date also I have changed. So friends you can see after on guys set automatic time guys, you can see your date and time will set automatic. You can see and after on guys we cannot change this phone date and time setting. So like that guys you can turn on guys your phone set time automatically guys, and guys you want to change date according to your server, you will have to turn off, then guys you can change it, you can use from here. So like that guys we can on guys set, we can on and off guys set automatic time setting. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.